Hello everyone, welcome to the key Python programming concepts in 90 seconds. This is the first video, and in this video we'll be covering data types and variables in Python. Data types. A data type represents the type of data that an object is. There are four basic data types in Python: str or string. A string is anything within single or double quotes. The next we have is int or integer. An integer is any positive or negative whole number from negative infinity to positive infinity. Next data type we have is floats. A float is a decimal floating point number from negative infinity to positive infinity. So for example, 1.0 or negative 999.4. A Boolean, or bool for short, is a data type that is only of one of two values, true or false. Variables. Basic variables. How do you assign a variable in Python? Well, if you did basic algebra in school, basic mathematics, you probably come across the variable x is equal to some value, let's say 5. That is how you assign a variable in Python. Value is equal to any data type. So it can be data type string, integer, float, boolean, list, dictionary, etc. So the syntax for creating a variable is name of variable and value. That's all, guys.